In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CRM in Google Sheets. We're going to build a simple, reliable customer relationship tracker using built-in tools so you can standardize lead status, capture where each lead came from, and set clear follow-up dates without juggling messy entries. Before we start, make sure you have a sheet with columns such as status, source, and next contact date. You can add other columns like name, company, email, or notes, but we'll focus on making those three fields work smoothly and consistently. First, let's set up the status field so every lead uses the same language. Click the header of your status column to highlight the entire column. Go to the data menu and choose data validation. For the criteria, select dropdown. Add the stages you want to track, like new, negotiating, and closed. Keep them short and consistent so they're easy to scan. Turn on the option to display the dropdown in the cell so users can pick from a clean list. Under validation behavior, decide whether you want to show a warning or reject invalid input. Rejecting invalid entries helps keep data pristine. Confirm the apply to range covers the whole column, then save. Now, every cell in status will offer the same choices, helping you filter and report accurately later on. Next, build the source field the same way. Highlight the source column, open data validation, and choose drop-down again. Enter the sources you commonly see, like referral, website, or social media. You can always edit this list later as new channels appear. Using a drop-down here prevents typos and makes it easy to analyze which channels are delivering the most leads. Finally, let's make follow-ups effortless with a pop-up calendar. Highlight the next contact date column and go back to data validation. Set the criteria to be a valid date. Enable the calendar picker so a date selector appears when you click a cell. This prevents invalid dates, ensures a consistent format across the sheet, and makes it faster to schedule your next touchpoint. If you prefer a consistent look, choose a date format from the format menu after you're done so it matches your region and reporting style. With these three pieces in place, you've created a lightweight CRM that's easy to use and hard to break. You can now add leads, pick a clear status, note where they came from, and schedule a follow-up date with confidence. Keep your drop-down lists concise, update them as your process evolves, and you'll have a clean foundation for tracking relationships and closing more deals.